In this video, we're going to show you to install the hood lift supports on your Dodge Charger located on the bottom side of your hood. Now on the hood lift support, there's going to be a little metal tab on each end. You can use a pocket screwdriver. Now the first thing you want to pay attention to is supporting the hood. Now if you're going to tackle this job yourself, you're going to simply hold the hood, otherwise it's going to come down on you. One of these is not normally enough to support the hood. It's always good if you have some assistance, if that would benefit you. Support that hood, pry out on that clip, and separate that. Now you're going to do the same on the bottom side. Go ahead and pop that off and set that aside. Now the new component has the clips already in place. You simply want to line them up onto the stud, push that down, and you're going to feel it in here, it snap into place. Go ahead and take the other end, line up the hood. You might have to lift it up or lower it just a little bit. Push that on, give it a little tug, make sure it's secured, and then you can release the hood. At this point here, you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.